Children, this is Shivalsis speaking. Children, we have been dealing with exercise 4.4 chapter simple equation, in which we have completed almost the exercise, and few questions, only 2 or 3 questions are left from the exercise 4.4, and these questions are really very important, and we need to understand these questions very carefully. And this chapter simple equations will be repeated in higher classes in form of algebraic expressions and identities and all that. So let's start the question number 3 of exercise 4.4. Let's have a look, children. So here in this question, children, exercise 4.4 question number 3 is, Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more. Irfan has, there are 2 characters, Irfan and Parmit. So Irfan says he has 7 marbles more than 5 times of Parmit has. Irfans have got number of marbles which is 7 marbles more than 5 times of Parmit have. So here, the total number of marbles Irfan has is 37. How many marbles does Parmit have? We don't know how many marbles Parmit have. So, let the number of marbles Parmit has is equal to X. Let the number of marbles Parmit has be equal to X. So according to the question, Irfan has how many marbles? Irfan has 37 marbles, which is 7 more than 5 times of Parmit has. So let the number of marbles Parmit has was X. So 5X, 5 times of Parmit, plus 7. 5x plus 7, this many marbles Irfan should have. 7 more than 5 times of Parmit. So 5 times of Parmit means 5x. 7 more means plus 7. This is only the number of marbles Parmit has. Irfan has. And that is equal to 37. So I wrote equal to 37. And now we are going to find the value of x from here. Let this 5x be here. Plus 7 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. It's going to be 37 minus 7. So I'll write 5x is equal to 37 minus 7 is 30. So x is equal to 30 by 5. 3rd and 5 will be cancelled. I'll get 6. So value of x is 6. So the number of marbles Parmit has, therefore, the number of marbles Parmit has 6. Because he has got 6 marbles. I got the value of x as 6. So children, this is how we have to find the answer of this kind of questions. Question number 2 is very interesting. Question number 2 has been said, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times of Lakshmi's age. Lakshmi's father's age is said, that is 49. And he is 4 years older than 3 times of Lakshmi. So, we don't know what is Lakshmi's age. Let Lakshmi's age be equal to x years. Lakshmi's age we have considered be x years, and Lakshmi's father's age, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. According to the question, Lakshmi's father is 4 years older, 4 years more, 3 times of Lakshmi's age. So 3 times of Lakshmi means 3x plus 4, 4 years more. This is Lakshmi's father's age, 3x plus 4, and that is equal to 49, which is already mentioned in the question. 3x plus 4 equal to 49 because Lakshmi is x. Lakshmi's father is 4 years more than 3 times of Lakshmi. So this is 3x plus 4. Now from here, I'll write 3x equal to 49. This 4 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. That's going to be minus 4. So I'll write 3x is equal to 45. So x is equal to 45 by 3. This 3 will be transposed over here. And this 45 and 3 will be cancelled. It will be 15. So the value of x is equal to 15. This means Lakshmi is 15 years old. Therefore, Lakshmi's age is equal to 15 years. I believe it's clear to everyone. Children, this is how we have to deal with this kind of questions. If there are any doubts or confusions, please feel free to speak to me. I'll surely make another video to clear your doubts. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.